Hello dears, this is Satyamurthy from Bhargava Symmetric Higher Secondary School, Arakonam. I am very happy to meet you again in this video session. Now I am going to continue 12th mathematics. So exercise number, chapter number 1, exercise number 1.5, question number 1. Listen, in the question number 1, they are asking you to solve the following system of linear equations by Gaussian elimination method. Listen dears, they are asking you to use Gaussian elimination method. That is very simple. Listen. So, in the first subdivision, they given 2x minus 2y plus 3z equal to 2. Second equation, x plus 2y minus z equal to 3. Third equation, 3x minus y plus 2z equal to 1. From this, listen, I am going to solve. In the solution, first we have to write the given equations. So, what are the given equations? 2x minus 2y plus 3z equal to 2. Second equation is x plus 2y and minus z equal to 3. So, third equation 3x minus y plus 2z equal to 1. From this, I am going to write the augmented matrix of A and B. So, A is nothing but that is squares of x, y, z. B matrix is constant values. From this, I can write, so A, B. Listen, yes, I am going to write augmented matrix of A and B. Listen, from this 2 minus 2, 3 and constant is 2. 1, 2 minus 1 and 3. 3 minus 1, 2, 1. So, this is A matrix. From this, I am going to make a echelon form to find the rank. From this, I am going to make a echelon form. Before that, to find echelon form, to form echelon form, first in the first row, first column, always keep 1. That is very useful to solve this sum. From this, we can write, I am going to change R1, R2. Listen, yes. From this, so I am going to change second row as first row as second row. From this, we can write the first row 1, 2, minus 1, 3. 2, minus 2, 3, 2. Third row 3, minus 1, 2, 1. Listen dears, to form a echelon form, below the first row, first element, we should make these two elements as 0. So, very simple, I am going to make changes in second row. From this, we can write in the second row, first elements, what is there? 2 is there. So, R2 minus, in the R1, 1 is there. So, multiply by 2, 2 R1. Do you understand? After this, the R3 also I am going to make changes in R3. R3, in the third row, what is the first element? 3. In the first row, first element 1. So, multiply by 3. So, 3 R1. Listen, I am going to do this. So, in the R2 changes, first I am going to write R2 changes, very simple. What are the elements in second row? 2, minus 2, 3, 2. Now, minus 2 R1, 2 R1 of first row is going to multiply by 2. Listen, first row elements all are multiplied by 2. 1 into 2, 2 and 2 2s are 4 and minus 1 into 2, minus 2. Listen, so 3 into 2, 6. Now I am going to subtract this. If you subtract, so every sign will change, minus, minus. So already minus is there, so it will change as plus, so minus. From this, 2 minus 2 is what? 0. And minus 2, minus 4, minus 6. 3 plus 2, 5. And 2 minus 6, minus 4. This is in the second row. Listen, I am going to make a changes in third row. In third row. Listen to this. So, what are the elements of third row? 3, minus 1, 2, 1. So, first row elements, every elements multiply by 3, minus 3 R1. So, first row is going to multiply by 3. 1 into 3, 3 and 2 into 3, 6 and minus 1 into 3, minus 3 and 3 into 3, 9. Now, I am going to subtract this value. So, 3 minus 3 is what? 0 and minus 1, minus 6, minus 7. So, minus and minus plus 2 plus 3, 5. and 7 minus 9 minus 8. These are the elements in third row. Now I am going to write that. Listen. So very simple. The first row 1, 2, minus 1, 3. The second row elements, what are that? 0, minus 6 and 5 minus 4. Do you clear? The third row elements 0, minus 7, 0, minus 7 and 5 minus 8. Listen to this. To form echelon form, the third row second element I want to make a 0. Listen, very simple. So both are same sign. Listen, but numbers are different. In that place I am going to make a changes. Listen to this. The third row second element I want to make 0. If it is 0, we will get triangle shaped zeros. So that is called echelon form. Do you understand? From this we can write the R3. Again I am going to make a changes in R3. Listen. So R3, the numbers are different. So they here in the second row 6 is there, third row 7 is there. So I am going to multiply by 6 in the third row, say multiply by 7 in the second row. Listen to this. R3, 6 R3 minus 7 R2. Listen. So very simple. Now I am going to simplify that. In that place, so what are the third row elements? 0, 6, 5 minus 4. Sorry, that is third element 0, minus 7, 5 minus 8. Second element 0, minus 6, 5 minus 4. So first I am going to multiply by 6 in the place of third row. Listen. So 0 into 6, 0 and 0. Listen. In the third row place, third row 0 into 6 is 0. Minus 7 6 are 42 minus 42 and 5 6 are 30. Listen. And 6 8s are minus 48. Listen this. The second row I am going to multiply by 7. So 0 into 7, 0 and 6 7s are 42. So minus is there, minus 42 and 5 7s are 35 plus 35 and listen, minus 4 7s are 28. So minus is there, minus 28. From this we can write minus 28. Now I am going to subtract this minus. So already minus is there, it will change as plus, minus, plus. Now listen, 0 minus 0, 0, 42 minus 42, sorry, minus 42 plus 42, it will change as 0, 30 minus 35 minus 5 and minus 48 plus 28. So remaining is what? Minus 20 is there. From this we can write, listen to this, this is in the third row. So I am going to write argument of A and B. From this we can write, listen yes, in the first row there is no changes, 1, 2, minus 1, 3, 1, 2, minus 1, 3, 1, 2, minus 1, 3. In the second row 0, minus 6, 5, minus 4, 0, minus 6, 5, minus 4. Listen, minus 6, 5, minus 4. From the third row, just now we have changed the elements, 0, 0, minus 5 and minus 20. Listen, now again I am going to equate this. From this we can write, now we got the echelon form. After this, listen, yes, no need to find the rank. After this I am going to equate these values. From this I am going to form an equation. From the first equation, listen, yes, first 1x plus 2y minus z, which is equal to 3. This is first equation. 1x plus 2y minus z equal to b value is what? 3. So from the first row I formed first equation. From the second row, 0x minus 6y. 0x no need to write. From this minus 6x and sorry, minus 6y. This is second element because 0x and minus 6y plus 5z which is equal to minus 4. In the third equation, x and y terms are 0, so only z term minus 5z which is equal to minus 20. Listen to yes, from this we can find the value of z. So this is equation number 1, let us consider 1, this is 2. So from the third equation, z equal to minus 20 by minus 5. So after the cancellation we will get z equal to what? 4. Do you understand? So this 4 I am going to substitute in the equation number 2. From this, from 2 minus 6y plus 5 into 4 which is equal to minus 4. Listen to this, minus 6y plus 20 equal to minus 4. So plus 20 taken to right hand side, it will change as minus 6y which is equal to minus 4 minus 20. So minus 6y which is equal to minus 24. So this minus 6 taken to right hand side, y equal to minus 24 by minus 6. So after the cancellation, 6 4s are 24, y equal to plus 4. This is value of y. And value of z from equation number 1, use this value y and z. So from 1, x plus 2 into what is the value of y? Y equal to 4 minus z. What is the value of z? 4 equal to 3. Now listen, x plus 8 minus 4 equal to 3. Listen to this. So 8 minus 4 is what? Plus 4 is there. So x plus 4 equal to 3 and x equal to 3 minus 4. Therefore, value of x equal to minus 1. For your verification, you have to apply this xy values in any one of the given equations. Listen, I am going to apply in the first equation. Listen, for your verification, in the first equation, what is the value of 2x? 2 into what is the value of x? Minus 1. And listen to this, minus 2y minus 2. What is the value of y? Y equal to plus 4. Y equal to plus 4 and plus 3z. Plus 3 into value of z equal to also plus 4. From this, minus 2 minus 8 plus 12. Listen to this. So minus 10 plus 12. This is equal to plus 2. Check. So in the right hand side there is plus 2. So our answers are correct answer. Do you understand? In the verification, no need to do in the sums, just do in the rough work place. Are you clear? That's it.
I am V. Rishikeshava. I am S. Darshan. I am K. Rutika. I am M. S. Ritika. I am a participator of national level